Good evening, students. This is Amit Dahiya. I welcome you all in Master Amit Dahiya classes. I would like to ask that how are you all? I hope that you are good at your home. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss very important questions. That these questions most of the time appeared in the CBSE exams and NTSC and competitive exams direct result. So let's do how to do how to solve these questions. Let us move ahead. So the questions are: the first question is that in ABC's triangle, ABC is a right angle triangle at C. ABC is a right angle triangle where BC is equal to A length of BC is A centimeter given, or CA is equal to B, and AB represents C, and P be the length of the perpendicular from vertex C on the side AB. Prove that. First you have to prove that product of C into P is equal to product of A into B, where what is C here? C is the length of AB and P is a length of perpendicular from vertex C2 on AB, and A is the length of BC and B is the length of AC, or you can say that here AC multiply CD is equals to AB multiply AC multiply BC. And second part is very important, that most of the NTSC exams or competitive exams, it's seen that 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Then it is very easy question. It is look like difficult question, but very easy question. Let us start how we are going to solve this. This is, think, triangle ACB is there. Triangle ACB is a right angle triangle, and how you can get the area of the right angle triangle? Half into base into height, half into base into height. So one triangle one base is BC and perpendicular is AC. Another method is base is AB and perpendicular is CD. So both gives the area of ACB and put them equal and you will get the answer. So let's start. In triangle ABC, we can say that area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is C and height is P. If we are taking AB is the base and CD is the perpendicular, so half into C into P. Second triangle, if triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height and half into BC into AC, and BC length is A and AC is B, so half into A into B. In both the equations, the left hand side remains same because of area of triangle ABC is there. If left hand side is same, then right hand side same. So half into C into P is equal to half into A into B. Half is cancelled out with half, and then what remain? CP is equal to AB. Hence first part proved. CP is equal to AB. Now second part, if you are going to do that, in the second part P square, A square and B square, C is not there. C is not there. So first this equation, can you find out the value of C? The value of C is AB upon P. We can write AB upon P. Let's move ahead. In the triangle ABC, right angle at C, so we know that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, and we can write here AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, AC square plus BC square, and AB is C square, AC is B square, BC is A square. तो सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Then we prove that c is equal to ab upon p. Put the value of c in equation number 1. Then ab upon p whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Squaring a square b square upon p square is equal to a square plus b square. Now transpose this a square b square that side. So 1 by p square is equal to a square plus b square divided by a square b square. Now this a square b square is the denominator of each numerator term. So a square by a square b square, then a is cancel out with a square is cancel out with a square, then 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. So 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, hence proved. It is very easy question, but if you are looking at the question, then the first way you have to think how you are going to do these questions. So do this question 1 or 2 times. It is very easy question. The next we are going to do the most important question of the NCERT. In an equilateral triangle ABC, what is given here? ABC is an equilateral triangle and the side BC is trisected at D. What do you mean by the trisected? Tri means 3 and sected means बांटना. D point BC को 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बांटता है. मीन्स क्या कह सकते हैं? BD इज 1/3 ऑफ BC. 3 पार्ट में ये 1 पार्ट है तो D से C 2 पार्ट बच गए. तो BD इज इक्वल टू 1/3 ऑफ BC एंड CD इज इक्वल टू 2/3 ऑफ BC. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बिफोर डूइंग टू डू द क्वेश्चंस. Because if you are not understanding it, trisected means we are not able to do the questions. And prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. We have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7 times of AB square. Here it can be written as 7 times of BC square and 7 times of AC square. So construction A square B square we have to use by Pythagoras. So Pythagoras can be applicable only the right angle triangle, so you have to make construction. So construction, draw a perpendicular AE on the side BC. So one point you have to remember here, what ki in equilateral triangle altitude and median is the same. Altitude work as a median or median work as a altitude. So AE divides BC into 2 equal parts. It means we can say that BE is equal to EC is equal to half of BC. So again I am trying to solve this question. So let ABC is an equilateral triangle. Let D be point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. अगर BD 1/3 ऑफ BC है तो CD क्या होगी? 2/3 ऑफ BC. कंस्ट्रक्शन A is perpendicular to BC join AD and AE. In equilateral triangle ABC, altitude work as a median, so AE divides BC into 2 equal part. BA is equal to AC and B is equal to half of BC, or we can say that half of AB. Why? Because equilateral triangle all sides are equal, then BC can be written as AB. And BD is equal to 1/3 of AB and DC can be 2/3 of AB. Let us move ahead. In triangle AEC, it is a right angle triangle. So AEC is a right angle triangle and AC is the hypotenuse, EC is the base and AE is the perpendicular. So we can say that AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square using the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, and AB square is equal to, in place of AC we can write AB square is equal to AE square plus EC can be written as DC minus DE. EC can be written as DE minus EC can be written as a DE DC minus a DE. So let's move ahead. DC minus DE whole square EC. So A square plus DC square plus DE square. Here A square A minus B whole square DC square plus D square minus 2DC into DE. This point you have to remember. You can write here EC also half of AB whole square. So why we change this AC? Because we have to prove that AD, and till then we are not getting AD, and AD can be, how you are going to get AD? AED is another right angle triangle, or you can say that AE square plus DE square will give the AD square. So that's why EC we change into DC minus DE, that is equal to EC. So AE square plus DC square plus DE square minus 2DC into DE, that AD square. AE square plus a DE square gives us the AD square. AD square plus DC square minus 2DC into DE. AD square plus DC. DC can be written as 2 by 3, 2/3 of AB, minus 2 into DC 2 by 3 AB into DE. DE can be written as BE minus BD. DE, look, DE can be written as DE can be written as this, we change the DC, then DE can be written as DE BE minus BD. DE can be written as BE minus BD, and BE is what? BE is the half of AB and BD is the 1/3 of AB. These 2 points you have to remember. These are very very important. So AD square plus 4 by 9 AB square minus 4 3 is 4 by 3 AB, 4 by 3 AB into half of AB minus half of 1 by 3rd of AB. AD square plus 4 by 9 AB square minus 4 by 3 into 1 by AB square. There is AB square. So 4 by 2 by 3, and we can say that 2 by 9. LCM is 9. Then 9 AD square and 4 and minus 2 AB square 2, and that goes that side. So 9 minus 2, that gives the 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. So please focus here. You have to remember here this EC square. EC can be written as DC minus DE, and DC can be written as 2 by 3 of AB, and DE can be written as BC minus BD, and BE is the half of AB and BD is the 1/3 of AB, and this AB written, I forgot that here. Then AB into AB, that AB square is here, and then cross multiply 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. Hence proved. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Have a good day. Stay at your home and be safe.